Hey Siri, Siri, if Siri is not working on your MacBook Neo, not responding, or just stuck on that spinning searching wheel, here are a few quick things you can try. First, make sure your volume is turned up so you can actually hear Siri's response. Next, if you have any Bluetooth devices connected, turn off Bluetooth for a moment. Sometimes audio gets routed to those devices, which makes it seem like Siri isn't responding. If you're seeing that spinning wheel, it's often a connection issue, so check that you're on a fast and stable internet connection. Now, head over to System Settings, then go to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Make sure Siri is turned on. Also check the Listen For option. If it's set to off, choose one of the available options so Siri can wake properly. You can also set a keyboard shortcut as an extra way to trigger Siri. Then scroll down to Siri Responses and make sure Prefer Spoken Responses is turned on. If everything looks fine but Siri still isn't working, try turning Siri off all the way. Then turn it back on and set it up again from scratch. Finally, give your MacBook Neo a quick restart to apply all these settings. That should get Siri back to working normally. Hey Siri, what's the weather?
It's currently cloudy and 66 degrees in Sacramento, California.
Stay with Fix 369 for more quick tech tips.